Greetings and welcome to the Agile Store Locator plugin. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the store information for multiple stores at the same time using the bulk editing feature. So let's get started. Let's head over to WordPress and go over to the Agile Store Locator plugin and click on Manage Stores. So here we have our store list. Now let's say you want to change the store information for some stores in a particular location. So you can filter the stores by state, city, or country. Let's filter by state, and we'll filter by the Colorado state. So here are all the stores in Colorado. You can even expand the entries by using this menu over here. Now let's say you want to change the information for all the Colorado stores. So for that, you'll click on Select All. You can even unselect certain stores that you want to exclude. But for this example, let's include all of them. And once you have selected the stores, simply click on Bulk Edit over here. This will open the Bulk Edit Stores menu. Now to change information for these stores, first you'll need to enable the field by clicking on this button over here. Now once this is enabled, you can enter a description over here, and the same description will be added to all the stores that you select earlier. So let's now enable the update open hours. And let's set the store timings for all of the stores. So on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we'll keep normal working hours. On Thursday, let's keep it open 24 hours. And on Friday, it'll be normal working hours as well. And Saturday and Sunday, let's keep it closed. So now once that is done, scroll down here and click on Apply Changes. And once you get the notification, all the stores that you selected earlier will have the same opening hours which we just set in the bulk editing menu. So if you click on a store and go to the store timings section here, you can see that the store timings are the same as the ones which we just set in the bulk editing menu. So now you can also add other fields to the bulk editor as well. To do that, you will go to Agile Store Locator plugin and click on ASL settings. And once you're here, click on the Store Form tab. So here we have all the fields that appear on the bulk editor. You can enable or disable certain fields as well. So let's enable, let's say, Instagram URL and Facebook URL. You can even add custom fields to this menu over here. To do that, simply scroll down here and go to the Manage Additional Fields section. Now you can create a new custom field by clicking on the New Field button here. Let's call this field Payments. The control name will be the same name in lowercase. And let's keep the option as a radio list with the options Cash and Card. Once that is done, click on Save Fields. And once you refresh the page, you can see that the payment field has been added to the bulk editing field. So simply select this, and this will appear on the bulk editing menu. Be sure to click on Save Settings first. Once you get the notification, let's head back to the Manage Store section. Now let's select a store. Click on Bulk Edit. And you can see that the payment field has been added. And you can enable this option here and change the payment type as well for all the stores that you select. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.